Billions of meals are prepared worldwide every day. Millions of gallons of waste oil are discarded. But what if this waste is Welcome to the world of green alchemy. Advanced technology is now
At Polytechnic Tun Said Nasir Said Ismail, the research about the production of biodiesel is conducted here by experts from the Department of Chemical and Food Technology.
Where our dedicated research team is pioneering sustainable green energy solutions through advanced chemical engineering and institutional excellence. Is introduced alongside a calculated sodium hydroxide catalyst designed to break down the heavy oil structure. A mixture is heated precisely to 70 degrees Celsius under constant, high-speed magnetic stirring, maximizing molecular collision and kinetic energy. The malic acid, the mixture separates free. As the reaction concludes from the biodiesel,
once settled, the products elegantly separate into three distinct phases. Our pure fame biodiesel at the top, a middle layer of glycerol, a sustainable conversion process. During this reaction, the oleic acid chains break free from their glycerol backbone and bond with the methanol, successfully yielding fatty acid methyl esters, the core chemical structure of biodiesel. Looking closely at the molecular level, the vegetable oil consists primarily of complex triacylglycerides, large molecules holding substantial potential. Looking closely at the molecular level, diesel engines, instantly slashing harmful carbon emissions. By recycling our waste into fuel, we close the loop and conserve our natural resources. Its sustainable blend directly drives the transportation sector toward a cleaner, greener tomorrow.